Navigating your home page in the Crestron Home app is simple. Let's tap the app and have a look. Your home page is where you'll find vital information about your home, such as the status of your security system and door locks. It's also where you can access quick actions, which are like shortcuts. They enable you to execute a scene, which is a combination of different commands, with just one tap. With home controls, you can access finer control of systems that affect your entire home, such as security, door locks, and climate. Simply swipe up to see all the home controls available to you. On the bottom bar is the Home button. It appears on every page, so you can always navigate your way back. The Rooms button gives you access to control all of the different rooms and areas in your house. And with a tap on the More button, you'll find information on your Crestron system and Crestron customer support. To get the most out of your Crestron smart home, make sure to check out the rest of the Crestron Home app video series.